know I've talked about this before, and I'm not going to go into any great detail just to show you this and let you do some on-page analysis of this particular page. But I pulled up Rhinoplasty, Garden Grove, Texas. Rhinoplasty, of course, is a nose job. And Kyle Roof, of course, is the person to rank in this space. And what's amazing, his page is still ranking. There's no doctor in his page. There's no expertise. There's no authority, but he's still ranking. And when I say doctor and expertise, I'm talking about most of the people in here are doctors or have a medical practice. But let's go down here a little bit. Let's go past the 3-pack. There it is. There's Kyle Roof's page. And what's fascinating about this, extremely fascinating, is the fact that it's gibberish. It's Latin gibberish. And he puts, let's see. I'm doing all this live. So, but anyway, my point is he's got everything where it needs to be. He's got his, and let's look at, let's go to SEO Quake and look at the diagnosis of his headers, which is mainly what he's ranking with. He's not even using alt tags. Oh my gosh. But he does have Rhinoplasty Garden Grove in his H1. And it's also in his link up here, as you can see. He's got an exact match domain name, and then he's got his slug out here, which is also exact match. So the slug is doing a lot of the work, and then the H1 tag. But this just shows you, no, he has no structured data, no schema. Oh, wait, yes, he does. He does have some schema, it looks like. And I'm not going to go look at it. And that's why I'm pointing this page out so you can go look at it. You can run it through some analysis and see what you see. But my point is that this is not what you'd expect. Let's see some other pages here. Oh, that is the page. I think how many pages are on here? 1? Here's the home page. He's got it spoofed as a surgery center. He's got a lot of pictures before and after. He's got the map. Oh, he's got an exact address map, not just Garden Grove. That's interesting. Oh, he's got an address, a phone number. Oh, he's got some articles on here, some blog articles. And you know what? This may be interesting to. He's got them kind of in a topical cluster here. Best age, who performs it, how long is the surgery. It's kind of an FAQ type pages. But again, there's no information. Let's pull some of this Latin gibberish, and let's go over here to Latin to English. Translate. Okay. We're going to enter it in. We're going to see what the Latin words mean on his page. And as you can see, it means absolutely nothing. Because I thought, well, he's doing it in Latin, but it's Latin copy about rhinoplasty. No, it's nothing. It's complete gibberish. So, and the point he makes, if you watch his videos, is it's not about the copy. It's about the subheadings, the headings, the different places that Google wants to see your keywords, bottom line. And yeah, so this is just crazy stuff, but it's a very moment of learning here. He does have this one. What is this? He's got some internal linking. I hadn't seen that prior, so that's important. He's got this going back to his rhinoplasty page that's actually ranking. And I don't do a lot of internal linking, but I'm starting to. And he does have some keywords. If you look down through here, even though this is gibberish, he does have his keyword right here in the first, they say put your keyword in the first 100. In the first 100 words. So, and then he's got a link here, but it's not hyperlinked. I'm not sure why not, but this is fascinating. Content is not king. He's got that hyperlink too. I'm not sure what that word is. Maybe that's let's find out. Wonder why he's got that hyperlinked. Well, for no reason whatsoever, because none of those words have any meaning. So anyway, I hope this helps you out. If you want to know more about local SEO like this, more examples, more tips, more hacks, look below. Got my Patreon link there. It's $20 a month, and you'll get $20 worth of value each day, hopefully, each week, each day. But there's a ton of value in there for a little bit of money. Check it out. We also have a Facebook group I'll put below. Check that out. It's a lot of fun to discuss and trade tips there. So hope to see you in both.